Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the sticker and the surface. This tells you what method to use and why. Once you locate an edge, warm the sticker with a hairdryer 40 to 50 centimeters away for about 15 to 30 seconds. Heat softens modern adhesives. Then, gently lift an edge with a fingernail or plastic spudger so you don't gouge paint or paper. Make sure to stop if the surface feels too hot or the sticker tears into small pieces. You now peel slowly, maintaining a 45-degree angle so the adhesive stretches rather than rips. This reduces leftover residue. Once removed, treat adhesive with isopropyl alcohol 70% or a citrus-based remover, testing an inconspicuous spot first to avoid damage. For repositioning, align carefully, then press from center outward with a squeegee to expel air. Finish by briefly heating the edges to reactivate adhesive and ensure a permanent bond. You finish by addressing imperfections. Trim frayed edges with micro-tip scissors or a fresh razor, and if it's vinyl, lightly sand the back to promote adhesion. Once smooth, apply a clear laminate or an edge sealer to waterproof and prevent peeling. This step explains why longevity matters for outdoor or handled items. If stubborn sticky residue remains, repeat the solvent step or use an adhesive eraser. If the sticker won't lie flat, reheat and press again while smoothing from center outward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.